What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today I am gonna show you guys how I like to do my steak. We got Angus beef over here, ready for action. I know I've been talking about doing a steak vlog or just cooking in general. Di ba Tagalog tonight?
Diba? Tagalog.
Alright, sige. What's up mga kapamilya? Andito na si Andre, tsaka si Ellis. Thank you! Maraming salamat for videoing. Oh, sweet naman. Alam naman kayo, gusto ko talaga gagawin ng paano magluto ng steak vlog. Ngayon, simulan natin ang Steaks by Dre. Ito muna, meron Angus beef steak. Kasi sa restaurants, ang mahal doon syempre, parang 3-4K isang steak naman, di ba? Pero bili na lang sa'yo.
Gagawa tayo ng... If tayo na lang maggagawa ng ano, if tayo na lang maggagawa ng steak, mas makasave pa tayo.
So if nagagawa,
Yeah, okay.
syempre kung bumili kayo ng steak sa labas o sa restaurants, ganyan, mas mahal. Kung ikaw lang talaga sa supermarket, ganun, bili ng ingredients isa-isa, mas tipid talaga. Halimbawa, ito, yung main dish naman, Angus beef, 585 pesos lang. Pero sa restaurant, parang 3,000-4,000. Importante syempre yung sides. May fresh bawang, tapos potatoes. Now, yun is yung pinaka side to the steak. Tomato, we have olive oil, butter. I got pink salt. Pepper, salt and pepper, importante yan. So, come with me. Gagawin tayo muna, ang gusto mong gagawin muna ay defrost. Importante, hindi malamig sa loob ng steak pagluto. Kasi it won't cook evenly.
Defrost it?
Defrost muna. Importante lagi, keep your hands clean. Paghawak ng dugo, ganyan. Importante maglinis yung kamay mo lagi.
Tama.
Alright.
How many minutes does it take to defrost, bro?
Siguro pag malambot. While that is defrosting, gagawin nito tayo. Sige.
you're gonna
Yung
cut
potatoes. Potatoes take a long time naman, di ba? So let's cut it open.
Okay.
We'll wash the potatoes. Especially with potatoes, it's from the ground, di ba?
Diba?
So, and also check out if you have any bad ones in there, like that gross one.
Holy shit.
That's maggots.
Oh! Zoom in.
Oh no, dude! Oh, look at my finger, dude.
Dude. Wash it now.
So yeah, guys, that's why you really want to check your potatoes talaga, or any ingredient. Kahit anong ingredient, sobrang importante to wash and check it muna kasi you don't want to put something like, you know, just halimbawa kanina. We can put these back in the fridge. Don't need sides.
Check it first if there's a maggot, bro. So tomato.
No, one thing you can do while you wait,
What?
jam some guitar.
Oh.
It's a beautiful part of cooking. I'm gonna show you guys a little one I have.
Who do you dedicate this song to?
Mom, Lou, this is for you. My boy Edison's gonna drop a beat with the guitar. Show him what you got, brother. Malambot naman ito. Hindi naman tagas. I forgot two more things that I wanted to put in the steak. I love to put rosemary and thyme. This, some grounded rosemary. Masarap pag totong rosemary. Like a steak with actual rosemary leaves on it. You throw that in halfway. Ang sarap talaga yan. Pero wala nang dito pala. I'm gonna use this. What we're gonna do is prepare this garlic really quick. Dalawa o tatlo pwede. Well, the way you this. You flatten it out and safely crush that bugger. One smack. Isang smack. Paano sabihin ng smack?
Dumugin.
Dumugin. Isang dumugin. So you cut out yung bad parts of the garlic. So you're gonna take out the wrap. Lay it flat so it doesn't burn. It's a good little strategy here to put just a kunting dab of olive oil on the steak muna and just massage that in. Massage that in, get all that olive oil in there. A little bit more here. Boom. Tapos, flip it over. And just massage that olive oil in there muna. So you want to season the steak after. Sprinkle that salt on there. Cover it all with a thin layer of salt. One thing you don't want to do is over salt it, and you don't want to under salt it either. Also, not just salt, but it's important to put some pepper. What I like to use for pepper is actually grounded pepper, not powdered pepper, but we have to work with what we got. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna prepare the pan. For me, para sa akin, I like fire to cook steak. It really cooks the steak nice and quick. At about medium, stuff like that. Before you put in the olive oil, you make sure the pan is really hot muna. It doesn't break down the oil. 3 minutes on one side, flip it over 3 minutes on the other side of the steak. Siyempre, depende yung size of the steak. If you're worried kasi medyo red sa loob ng steak pa, okay lang naman yan kasi it still cooks for about 5-10 more minutes paglabas ng pan. Also get your butter because you're gonna throw this in halfway through when you flip it over. Sorry guys, it's a messy kitchen. It's feeling pretty hot. Throw in some oil. That seems about right. Get that over. Pick up that nice piece of meat. And always put it in away from you. And lay it down. Just like that. Alright, look at that beauty. Get the oil around there. Alrighty. One way you can also tell is when you look at the side, you just have to see how far it's cooked up into the middle. Butter to put some flavor in there. Unsalted, not salted butter, because you already have salt in there. You can also flip the steak on the side to cook the fat. This way of cooking the steak is inspired by Gordon Ramsay. I like his style of cooking steak. Alright, that seems about right. You stab the side. Let's flip it over. Look at that. Now, you're going to throw in your garlic. And right there, you're going to throw in a chunk of butter. Melt that butter all around there. Ooh, it's smelling good. Also, now, like I said before, I would usually use real rosemary, but we're gonna have to work with what we got and use this rosemary. Tilt the pan over to one side, scoop the juices and pour it on top. Now that is important to keep it cooking from the top and bottom, and for this not to get too dry. You don't want the steak getting too dry on the top. So just throw some of that butter on there. Alright, this is rare. Rare.
Got it.
Medium rare. Medium. You can tell by the press of your muscle there how cooked the steak is. Now it's looking pretty cooked actually. Now, what you got here is a nice, beautiful steak. Pour some of this on it. You see all this juice right here? That is packed with flavor pot. What you can do with this is you can actually still use it. I would have used it for the potatoes, but since walang potatoes, I'm just gonna fry up the tomatoes. Take out the P and put a T. Hey, those tomatoes are so good. Get a nice handful of tomatoes. Throw it right in there. All right. There's the tomatoes. Throw a little bit more rosemary. Love rosemary. Rosemary is amazing. Aroma just blows my mind away. Wash your hands, fix your hair.
Looking good, bro.
Thanks, man. And nice and hot. Keep it on their back. Back of the tomato. And then flavorful, juicy steak oil on your tomatoes. Yum! Turn off your heat. So this would be just one side naman. Butter, olive oil, steak juice, and rosemary. And over here, the main course, we have steak. Let's chop it open. See this bone right here? I'll cut along the side of that bone. So what we have here is this part of the steak that I chopped up. I'm gonna get it again. Now guys, when you cut a steak, it's good not to cut the pieces too thin, because if you cut the pieces too thin, all the juices start coming out of the steak. So you see that, how it's a little bit pink in there? Now how I like my steaks is pink on the inside. I cooked this one a little bit too much, but this is actually looking pretty good. It's about a medium with some pink in there. Grab a good piece of this, stick it on a nice piece of meat. There. Well, that is juicy. That just like, with the tomato,
Yeah.
it just explodes like with flavor.
Tomato, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's correct. It's delicious, bro.
Ew. It's good with the tomato though. Got a nice piece of steak there. And that's a steak. Garlic too. Show the Ellison style of eating a steak. Grab a piece of steak.
So the first thing we do, this is Allison style.
All
Smell
right.
it. It's like a wine. And just dip it in the sauce. See the juiciness. Then slowly put it into your mouth. Close your eyes for the no. I was in the moment, you know?
Yeah.
Just feeling the moment.
Yeah, exactly.
Dre steak. Best recommended for us, guys. 5-star, man.
You the man, bro. Thank you. Yo. Finished. Again, thank you guys for watching Steaks by Dre. This is just a spontaneous video, pero hope you enjoyed the video, and comment below if you want me to try to cook anything else or if you guys learned anything. Salamat mga kapamilya. God bless.